Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Elevate Pay on Upwork. So let's get started. If you are a freelancer working on Upwork and you want a simple way to receive international payments, Elevate Pay is a great option because it gives you a US bank account that you can use directly on Upwork. First, make sure your Elevate Pay account is fully set up and verified. Once your account is ready, go to your Elevate Pay dashboard and open the account details section. Here you will find your US bank information, including your account number, routing number, and bank name. Keep this information ready because you will need it for Upwork setup. Now, log into your Upwork account. From your dashboard, click on your profile icon and go to Settings. Inside Settings, find the Get Paid section and open it. This is where you manage all your payment methods. Next, click on Add a Payment Method. Upwork will show you different options, but you need to select Direct to US Bank, USD, because Elevate Pay provides a US bank account. After selecting it, Upwork will ask you to enter your bank details. Go back to your Elevate Pay account and carefully copy your routing number and account number. Then paste them into Upwork. Make sure the account holder name matches exactly with your Elevate Pay account to avoid verification issues. Once you enter all the details, double-check everything. Even a small mistake in routing or account number can cause payment failure or delay. After confirming the details, click on Save. Upwork may take some time to verify your bank account. In some cases, they may send a small test deposit to confirm your account. Once the verification is complete, your Elevate Pay account will be successfully connected with Upwork. Now, whenever you get paid on Upwork, you can simply withdraw your earnings directly to Elevate. The money will then be available in your account, and you can either keep it, spend it using your Elevate Pay card, or transfer it to your local bank. This method is especially useful for freelancers who want fast, low-cost, and reliable international payments without complicated banking processes. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.